Technical Writing for Inspectors, Module 20, Pasting Pictures into Word. Gary A. Pace, P.E., CWI, Katy, Texas, TexasWeldingEngineering.com. Learning objectives. We're going to talk about pasting pictures and I guess other graphics into Word. It doesn't just have to be pictures, but it could be graphics of any type. So that's what we're going to cover in this module. So how we're going to do this is we're going to start with our paragraph, our text, that's going to need graphics to support what we're saying. So that's our starting point. You look at your document, you got a paragraph in there, and you're like, we need a picture. We need some graphics to support what I'm saying. Well, then we're going to open up wherever we've got our picture stashed. So in this instance, I've got them over in Explorer. I opened up Explorer so I can find my files. So I'm going to find the picture or sketch that I want to copy. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the file, and then when I right click on it, I'm going to hit copy. And then when I go on to my document that needs a piece of graphics to support it, I'm going to click below that, and I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to hit one of the clipboard icons, and it's going to paste my photo in there, which is easy enough. But one of the other things we're going to need to do is get this thing aligned. So when we're aligning and centering a picture in MS Word, we're going to go to Picture Format. Well, first we're going to left click on the photo. It's going to outline it and let us know that's the active photo graphic. And then we're going to left click on that photo. And then we're going to go into Layout Options. And under Layout Options, to line up a page, we're going to select the image, and then we're going to go to Picture Format and Position. And then you're going to select one of the pre-configured layout options to position your picture on the page. There's a whole bunch of different ones. I usually go, I think, with in front of text. So then I don't have to really mess with it. So you pick one of these layout options. You're going to pick one of these layout options, and it's Picture Format Position. And you pick that one, click on it, and this is one of the pre-configured layout options, and it's going to put your picture on the page in that position. If you go to the wrap text, there's a couple of different options here. We can either go with the what we just did, or we can go with the wrap text, and you can square right. There's some options here: in line with text, in front of text, behind text. I usually go, like I said, I think I go in front of text, and I've had a little better luck formatting if I go in front of text. But this is just something that you're going to have to figure out because there is no right way or wrong way. There's some personal preferences on how to do this. So on this one, you go to Pictures Formats or Shape Formats, and then select Arrange, and then Wrap Text, and then it gives you a whole bunch more options that allow you to move the picture to different positions. And then you can choose what you want to do, and then you're going to apply that to the photo. In line with text, top, bottom, and behind text. I usually go in front of text, as I said. This was just a quick and dirty example of, a tutorial on how to do this. But you're going to need at some point to know how to do this. This is a skill that you're going to need to learn if you're going to be writing reports and technical reports. So some other resources that are out there that are way better at explaining this than I am are there's some online tutorials. You can find those on YouTube. And you can just do a Google search like you do for anything else. There's a lot of different sources for information on how to put pictures and graphics into Word documents. But once again, the story here is that if you're going to be doing technical documents and or reports, you're going to need to have this skill set in your toolbox. And we covered pasting pictures into Word. Questions. Gary A. Pace, PE, CWI, Katy, Texas, TexasWeldingEngineering.com. Got any questions or comments? Contact me and I'll try and see what I can do to help you.